What's up, world? My name is Tyler, and I just wanted to take this opportunity to introduce myself and my current project, Sciextor. I'm currently a developmental psychology major, and my goal for grad school is to study neuroscience, with an emphasis on behavioral neuroscience. Some people call it biopsychology. My curiosity doesn't end there, though. I have a thirst for discovery, so I spend a great deal of time on PubMed, Science, and Physics.org reading a lot of the new research that is published, whether it's genetics or nuclear fusion. I think it's important to be in the loop to what I call real news, the type of news that helps us drastically understand the world around us. See, this is a deep seated passion of mine. I've always been a bit adventurous and curious about all the things and stuff of the universe. As entertaining as science fiction or theater can be, I find the universe in its infinite glory, all its complexities and strangeness, to be far more endearing. My main goal with Sciextor is to share my passion with the world, to create an outlet where everyone and anyone who is willing and able to listen or read one of my blog posts to participate in discussion and even healthy debates about this amazing universe. See, I think for the most part, mainstream media sells science short. They feel that science really doesn't have the entertainment value or the sex appeal of a Kim Kardashian, or doesn't shake up the nerves like a terrorist attack. The reality is, it very much does all these things. In fact, science, for the most part, tries to understand why all these things happen. From the devastating school shootings to the gravitational effects of Kim Kardashian's booty pics, science is behind the scenes trying to explain this stuff. I feel if we begin to really try to dissect these things, really bring to light the whys, we could get to the root of solving some of the biggest problems. Sciexter, for the most part, is light-hearted, but from time to time I really want to dissect some of these truly bigger sociological issues like school shootings. Like pretty much anything nowadays, the media and our political leaders are looking for the quick fix, the silver bullet. The reality is, these issues are far more complex and generally stem from various problems. We should be looking at these issues from different perspectives because there tends to be an overlap of many small problems snowballing to a much larger societal issue. For instance, with school shootings, the focus tends to be on stricter gun laws, which I agree with for the most part, but in itself only scratches the surface. It doesn't cover mental health issues or cultural stigmatisms, biological or sociological impressions that could have led to this event. It doesn't even begin to explain the dance of nurture and nature that every living organism on this planet goes through, and even how this very basic tug of war has its own part in these systemic events. Sciextor is about the discovery of science. Whether you're a student, professional, or have very little understanding, it's not important because every day we're discovering science. Every day we're experiencing the world around us in its infinite glory, its beauty and splendor, its destructive nature, and at times its unforgiving reality. But we can understand this world together, learn from each other, and I truly believe this is the way that we can begin a healthy change in our society. I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and if you get a chance, visit my blog at Sciextor.com, where I go into more details on stories and research just like this topic we discussed here. And feel free to leave a comment on my blog post or in this video. Until next time, have a great day.